One, two, three.
Yeah.
Comment nous y est tout le monde? Jeudi à nous gagner avec nous Hilton DENIS, monsieur son haïtien, monsieur beaucoup fin fort dans créole. Et nous allons faire une brève introduction nous allons connaître un pile bagaille de monsieur. Et moi avec monsieur là, nous allons faire notre essai. Hilton DENIS, how are you?
Yeah, very good.
Good.
Very
Would
good.
you mind to introduce yourself for the people?
Hey, my name is Hilton DENIS. I am born in Australia, but my parents are from Haiti, so that makes me Haitian as well. I'm a performing artist, been performing around the world in circus shows, musical theatre, dance for artists. I've been doing that for the past 15 years, and yeah.
Yeah, that's good. As you know, guys, Dennis is one of the Haitian community, which is like he was born here. Dennis is born here, and both parents are Haitian,
Both the parents are Haitian,
and which is make him legally Haitian. So, what do you do, like in terms of work, as you say, the artist? So, what do you do for work?
For a living? Yeah, so my profession, I've been working professionally as a tap dancer and acrobat in this circus show called Limbo for the past 6 years. So that's been my main source of income, but as well as that, I teach dance and acrobatics as well. Yeah.
So hopefully they hear what you say. Maybe probably we don't have any sound problem, so we have to speak a little bit loud. Dennis, do you know a little bit about your parent, when your parent moved from Haiti to Australia?
All I know is they moved from Haiti around in 1983. Around 1983 they came to Australia, and then they had my brother around 1984, 85. Yeah, so that's all I know. Yeah,
so
they came in the 80s.
Did you ever visit Haiti?
I have visited Haiti. I went to Haiti for the first time in 2017.
Wow.
Yeah, for the first time, where my cousin contacted me through Facebook. And yeah, through Facebook.
The magic of Facebook.
Magic of Facebook. And through Facebook, we...
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cappuccino?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Are you ready to order?
That's all for now.
No, that's all for now.
Thank
We're just
you.
having all good, all good. Yes. So yes, thank you.
Yeah.
So as you know, guys, we are just enjoying a little bit of coffee, and then we're gonna continue the interview. So they move around 1983.
Yeah, around 1983.
All right.
Yeah.
So do you know basically, like, are they directly from Haiti, or did they go around?
I think my parents met in Venezuela, I think, and then from there they came to Haiti. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. But yeah, that's what I was told. And I went to Haiti in 2017 through meeting my cousin through Facebook, and stayed there for about 10 days, and met my uncles and my cousins and my grandma I met for the first time, which was amazing.
Yeah, that's good. That's nice.
So that was really cool.
And do you have brothers and sisters?
Yeah, man, I got an older brother David, and a younger sister Nancy. Yeah, and we're all in the entertainment industry.
All right.
Yeah,
that's
really
good.
cool.
So as you know, guys, Haitian are usually artists. They have it in their blood, and so this is the proof that in the family of Hilton DENIS, all the brothers and sisters, they are just entertainers, like they're artists. And do you sing
Yeah, me and my brother and my sister were in a band.
All right.
We're in a band together, so yeah, I do sing a bit, and I do play some instruments as well. Yeah, so.
No, that's interesting.
Yeah.
So do you have a kind of music that you work on?
Yeah, we got a couple of music, like we got a couple of tracks that's been mixed and mastered that's ready to be released soon. So and yeah, we're working on just putting together a show.
Definitely. So let's ask if really Dennis can to sing or play compa music. Are you interesting to to play compa music?
Absolutely, I'm interested in researching and learning more about compa music.
Dennis don't know more about compa, so just recently before we came here, so I was listening to some good new look Deo show. So and I give him a little bit what compa is like. But I'm sure he will have it in his blood, so he definitely can
Yeah.
play it and just sing it
Yeah, yeah,
and make
yeah.
it like a more perfect than the compa is. And I know compa this is one of our best, is our strength.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, Dennis, do you do you how was your integration in terms of as you know, Australia is a different country, and you know you are a little bit like a different to the others. So
Yeah.
how was your integration to the society when you were born and you see yourself as a little bit considered as different? So how
Yeah.
you integrate?
Yeah, well, it was funny, man. Like, I grew up in an area called Waterloo in South Sydney, and in that area, I was surrounded by different ethnic groups. You know, so I had like my next door neighbor was from Vietnam. I had my like one of my friends from Brazil, and some of my friends from Aboriginal, which is like the traditional people of Australia. So it was a mix. I lived in an area where there was a mix of different nationalities, which made my integration into Australia more comfortable, you know. So I wasn't really the only one outcasted in the group, because like I had some Aboriginal friends who also shared the same skin color as me, you know what I mean?
Yes.
But even though like at my school I was like the minority, like I
Yeah.
was the only black
We
person.
are the minority here.
Yeah, definitely the minority here. But yeah, I was raised with a good bunch of people. So like I didn't feel like I was outcasted, you know. So I had like friends and I had a
So it's
community.
good because you were a little bit more. How can I say? You got more people around that's similar or who got the same issue than you.
Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. So it was cool. It was cool. It wasn't too hard.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you have any project in the future, and do in your future project do you integrate Haiti? in
Oh,
there?
absolutely. I wanna do a documentary, travel to Haiti, and experience the culture and document everything that I learned about Haitian culture, the food, the art, the history. And I want to also like I got some dance projects that I want to do as well, some theater productions that I want to produce as well, incorporating what I learned.
Yeah, as a gossip, guys, I saw Dennis dancing clap dance. We say
Yeah, claquette,
tap cat.
claquette.
I claquette, la
Yeah,
claquette. We
yeah.
say claquette, guys.
Yeah, tap
It was
dancing.
amazing. So we definitely would love have something like that, very entertaining, and it would be very entertaining. So we
Yeah.
can just organize that through the consulate. We would love just to, how can I
Yeah.
say, to give you all our support in
Yeah.
your documentary and
Yeah.
whatever you want to do, because this is
Yeah.
why we are here, and we are here to support every Haitian who want to contribute and
Yeah.
the integration of the
Yeah.
Haitian culture everywhere. So this is what we
Yeah.
are here for, to spread our culture.
Yeah.
So that would be nice. So
Yeah.
do you as a young artist, do you find any issue or any difficulty just to be, how can I say, to evolve
To evolve, like
yeah, to evolve, yes,
evolve in the music business.
yes.
Oh man, that's a good question, man. It's hard to get. Yeah, it's hard to get into like the big companies, you know, because you need a lot of backing to be like a lot of followers to make it into to get integrated into like the like machine, the music business, the big like record labels. But I think with today's age, you got the social media, you got YouTube, you got like SoundCloud. So it's really up to the artists to really push their music and build that following. I don't think you really need the big labels anymore to put music out. But it's a lot of it to
But
do.
you need them to protect, because what happens,
Yeah.
people nowadays, they are stealing a lot of ideas
Yeah.
from the internet. This is why us to the consulate, we say it's better to have a records label, and then the records
Yeah.
label gonna work
Yeah,
with the youth,
Yeah.
the youth, and then to protect their ideas, because
Yeah.
otherwise a lot of people, they are here to steal, they don't want to
yeah,
work.
that's very true. That's very true. That's why you have to do your study and like research and know how to copyright your own music and
Yes.
register your own music so it's registered. So if anyone does use it they have to use it through you, so you
Yes.
get paid through you to
Yes.
be able to use your music. That's in the process what I'm learning now, like learning to kind of publish my music through APRA, like organizations like APRA, and know how to distribute it through different websites and stuff like that.
That's
you know?
good.
Yeah. So,
That's good. That's definitely good. So
yeah.
we're not going to stay that long because we are here to enjoy our time too, and
Yeah.
with you guys. So do you have something to, before we close this chapter, do you have something to say to all the youth, especially the youth like from Haiti who's living in a far country alone,
Yeah.
without any support, without any help?
Yeah, man, I would say like, learn skills that will help you be able to live in any country that you want to live in. Like learn skills that's gonna complement your career and where you want to go, and also like stay connected with your people as well. Like get in touch, and you never know, there might be a Haitian living like a few blocks away from you or a couple of miles away from you. So like stay connected, stay together, reach out to people via the internet, and yeah.
So thank you, Denis, for
No
this
worries.
interview, and we hope fully next time we're gonna have it, and we definitely have to work together
Yeah.
to make this culture out,
Yeah.
especially in Australia, which is a big country. Guys, thank
Yeah,
you,
100%.
and see you next time.
Yes.
Bye.
See ya.